Namaskar. I am Leki Dondup, a student of class 6 from Vivekananda, Kendra Mukto. There are various types of literary forms in English literature like story, poetry, dramatic work, legend, myth, fable, news items, biography, interview, etc. From that literary forms, I have chosen poetry. I am going to narrate a poetry, Daffodils, written by a great romantic poet, William Wordsworth. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over the vales and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way. They stretch in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their heads in sprightly dance. The wave beside them danced, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not be but gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth the show to me had brought. For oft when on my couch I lay, in vacance or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of the solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dance with the daffodils. Thank you.